Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Pebbles over at Colita's Creations. I will be sure to link her channel down below. She is hosting a Road to 1,500 subscriber giveaway and challenge on her channel. She is requesting we send in a Twinchie. I'm also joining in the hashtag TwinchiesWhenever, hosted by Crafts and Tea with JanetKay. I will also link her channel down below. Here is the project that I am sending in to Pebbles. I am sending her some flat mail. Let's get on with the Twinchie that she requested. Here is the Twinchie that I created. I have been sorting through some of my paper collections and I came across this super cute kiwi paper. So that is my base. I added some tiny word stickers and these tiny kiwis. The watermelon is from my Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge. I think it came out so super cute for how small it is, and I did include some of my information on the back. I did create a little pocket to keep it secure while it goes through the mail. I've also lined up these envelopes so that when the card folds, it will be within the flat mail requirements. I am sharing some of my dewdrops with her. I decided to go with the watermelon theme, and I'm sending her some black, some watermelon, and some meadow color. There we go. I hope she will enjoy those. And then I've also created some extra watermelon ephemera for her to craft with or to regift in her future Happy Mail. Pebbles, congratulations on your subscribers. I know you will make it to 1,500 so quick. Thank you so much for hosting such a fun and easy challenge. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I will have Pebbles as well as JanetKay's channels linked down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.